Hello guys and welcome to the channel. We all know OpenAI.com and we know this website. We know how to try ChatGPT out and get it onto our web browser this way. Okay, this is no news guys. So what if I told you that you could get ChatGPT as an application on your device like this, guys? Alright, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. Stay tuned. And just for those who may be doubting that this is not real, this is exactly ChatGPT on the as an application. All right, let's just try something else here. Say, who are you? Okay. All right, so this is exactly what you get when you type in question. So this is ChatGPT for real, but this time as an application on your PC. See what I'm saying? So this is actually ChatGPT. All right, so let's just stop it right here and let's go on with the video. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your browser and type in web catalog, okay? And that leads you into these sort of search results right here. And then what you can do is to just choose this right here, choose web catalog for Mac and PC. Okay, and then once you're on this page, go to apps, and then you go to the search bar and type in ChatGPT, okay? ChatGPT. And once you type in, you search for it, and it gives you these results right here. Choose this one here, which is what we're looking for. ChatGPT, choose it right here, and it says here, get desktop app on web catalog. Okay, let's click right here, and you can see that this leads you to this small page here, and then what you can do is to say launch, install and launch web catalog app. Click right there. And what it does is it gets you to this page where you can download for Windows. Click right here if you're on Windows. If not for Mac, it takes you to the right page. Okay, so this is Windows right here. Download for Windows. Click on download, and you can see right there it downloads down to here. Okay, so once you're here, you can simply open this and run this application right away. Okay, so this opens, as you can see. Give it a few seconds to go through. It's opening and it's installing right here. It says web catalog is already running, okay, because I have it already opened on my PC. That's the reason why it would not install, but normally you should install on your PC. So once that's done, guys, just click on if it doesn't close, try closing it manually. Okay, so what I'll do is that I'm going to stop it right here, and I will simply go here and close this manually. I'm going to close web catalog manually. I think it's already closed, so I don't have to worry about that. So now it's been installed on my PC. So that is also there. And this is the web catalog here. It's popping up already. All right. So when it installs, obviously it opens up, or if it doesn't open up, you simply go to your Windows button and you search for it. It's that simple. For those who are confused about that, what I mean is you click on your Windows button right here, and it gives you this sort of search bar here, and you can type here web catalog. Okay. In this case here, that is my app right here. Okay, so guys, that is sorted. So now we know about that. We can open it by clicking the open button right here, and it leads us into this page here. So once we're on this page, next thing we'll do is want to search for the app that we're looking for, the reason for which we installed this, okay? So we're going to check here and search for ChatGPT. By the way, ChatGPT. Yep, ChatGPT, and that is it right here. And normally you should say install, because I already installed mine. It says uninstall on, and then the open is right here next to it. So what we can do here is to just click on install, as you would see here, and once you install it, guys, you can open it right away by clicking on open. It has these two buttons once installed. Click on open and it opens, and this is what you have as your ChatGPT, which I have right here on my PC. So guys, that's how to go about it. It's very easy and simple. And please let me know if you have any problems doing this in the comment section. Let me know. And guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and bye for now.